This house is situated in such an appealing area for such an affordable district. The air is sweet and suits even my fine taste. The fact that the summer bird, this house martin, builds their nests here proves how inviting the summer breezes are, darling. There isn't a single protrusion in these walls that the birds wouldn't build their nests to sleep and breed. I've noticed that they always like to settle in places where the air is nicest. On that note, I'm teaching you to thank me for imposing on you by being here, because that's just me showing my love.
All our service is twice done and then done double. We're poor as single visitors to contend. Your Majesty loads our house. For those of old and late dignities heaped up to them, will you rest your hermits?
Where is Mac, my man? We weren't too far behind him when he left the office, but he drugs on heat, that man. And his great love, which is as sharp as a spur, helped him beat us here, I suppose.
To make their order at your highness's pleasure, still to return your own.
He is keen and noteworthy lately. I must say that I favour him in his ethic.